Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, if you are new here, my name is Shanna. Well, if you are a subscriber, thank you for coming back. And yeah, if you're new, do subscribe down below if you want to see more videos, and also hit the notification bell down below. So this video, it's the Bratz doll challenge video. I was literally not prepared for this, but you know, I thought, why not? If I was prepared, I'll get like the brown contact lenses, the outfit, everything. Like my hair will be black, but anyways, you get what I mean. But yeah, so I decided to recreate this look and join the Bratz doll team, you know. Yeah, so I created this look. If you guys want to see how I achieve it, do stay tuned and keep watching, and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and I shall see you guys on my next video. So on this picture, her eyebrows are quite light, so I'm taking sleek eyebrow pencil in brown 191. And my eyebrows are naturally dark, so I don't know how this is gonna come off. Okay, eyebrows are a bit light. I hope mine are light enough. So for my eyebrows, I'm mixing cool tan and chestnut. I don't know whether I should do the whole big eyes, you know how people are doing the proper mimicking the eyes. I find that scary. Okay, I think not bad. Use some concealer, and this is the LA Girl, and it's the shade Cool Tan. This one right here, and let's follow the shape, sort of like, I'm just using a flat brush. Her eyeshadow is not blended, guys. See, I'm only focusing on the out. So I'm just taking my square brush with some concealer, and we will cut the crease, okay? So I'm just going to use the same brush to apply a gold eyeshadow, and it looks something like that. Looks like that one. So this is going to give me that precise look. Okay, to make it pop a little bit, I'm going to spray some I Heart Revolution spray, just to make it stand out. And I'm going to make it a bit darker for the sake of the video, which is this one here, because on camera it's looking a bit light. So We're just going to make it a little bit darker. Let's do the eyeliner. How does it go? It probably goes like, whew. Okay, let's see. I'm just using my liquid liner. This is just the starter. I think I need to go a little bit bigger. Scary. Dries out completely. Just some quick mascara. Okay. Take the first one. And we want to bring it upwards. Come on. Okay, so I'm just going to use this Revolution foundation. And I don't know what shade this is. Do they come in numbers? F16, okay? F16. Gonna put some there. I'm just gonna do my brows, the top bit of my brows with some of this. Just gonna spray this brush, because the foundation has been sitting for time. I'm just going to put a little bit on my neck because of my discoloration. Don't need too much. Right, so with the Bratz, they don't really highlight. Well, I haven't seen much. But what I'm going to do is use my chestnut, which is not too bright. I need to get another one tomorrow. Some more. Just taking my wet beauty sponge and I'm just blending that out. Okay, so I'm going to use Sacha Buttercup just to set the concealer. I'm not going to use a lot because it's going to make it look too bright. Okay, and the skin looks radiant, like in pictures. Bratz skin look radiant. Okay, so we're not gonna do anything else. I'm gonna bring a little bit of dimension to my face. I'm just gonna take this eyeshadow here. just to lightly, well, these two, just to lightly contour, but not too much. I'm gonna put some SB highlight, just a tiny bit. A little bit on my nose, some on my cheeks. Okay. And I'll use this NYX liner. The shades that I applied, these two brown, and we're going to put that on the just underneath where I put the white. Well, the brown. Tad bit of mascara on the outside bit of her bottom lashes, so I'm not going to do mascara on the inside. I'm going to do it on the out. Okay, so this might spoil everything. Let's try. I'm just going to take some eyeliner and I'm going to create some fake lashes on my bottom. Okay, I think that's it. Let me stop with that. Alright, so I can see one of her eyelash was out of place, and we are going to try and create that. Yeah, so let's create that on this eyebrow. So I'm just taking a concealer brush with a bit of concealer on it, and what we'll do is just do like a white line in here. Oh, okay. So I think I'll use yellow. It's safe. I'll mix it with white. So we're going to put a dot here. Don't knock out for do not charm one shine, okay? Go shine the light, go shine it. No, it's on my big one. But anyways, let me move on to the lips. Is this Primark pencil, and I'll just outline first and see how it looks. Okay guys, so my child and my partner are sleeping. I don't want to wake them up by trying to search for lipstick. I've got this one here. Let me just make it dark. I'm going to add a bit of red. Is it going to work? It's in big thing. Okay, to add noir liner. You see me? Maybe it's in big. I think. Let's see. She packed her hair up. Girl, I can't do that high because I did not put my hair on properly to be doing that high. Okay. Let's try. There's no harm in trying. Mama nangaye batu bo finger ngati. Suki do muna. Okay. To sound to sound system ya. To bomba side. To bomba side. For a secure zelana. I didn't put. There's a transfer to a line. There's only best on the salad. Which one looks more up? This one looks up. This side is fine. It's this side. Okay, I think. I think I'm happy with the turnout. Like, okay. Now I should show you guys this side. I need to keep talking in Ghana. Most of my subscribers are not Congolese. So if you're Congolese, yeah, just comment down below. You are, then you'll get the gist. Like, yeah. But anyways, this is the finished look. How do you think I did? My pose.